In this video, we're going to look at a problem that says a particle moves along the y-axis so that at time t is greater than 0, its position is given by y of t equals t cubed minus 5t squared minus 2t plus 1. Which of the following statements describes the motion of the particle at time t equals 2? Well, we know that the motion is described by the signs of this acceleration and the velocity. So this first part is talking about the velocity. So this first part's velocity, whereas this second part is talking about the sign of the acceleration. So I want to examine those signs at this value. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking those derivatives. So y prime, which we know is the velocity, is going to be 3t squared minus 10 t minus 2. So I need to examine that at time 2. So y prime of 2, or the velocity at 2, equals, let's see, 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12. Negative 10 times 2 is negative 20. So in this case, it looks like I've got negative 22 minus or plus 12, which would be negative 10. So I know that my velocity is negative, which means it has to be moving down, which means I get rid of answer choice C and answer choice D. Now I'm going to look at the acceleration. So that's the second derivative of position. Oops, at t first. Or the first derivative of velocity. I can't seem to write. Or just labeled acceleration. So the derivative of 3t squared, I'm going back to here, is 6t. And the derivative of negative 10t is negative 10. And then the derivative of negative 2 is 0. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug in my 2. I'm just going to use the acceleration notation. So 6 times 2 minus 10 is 12 minus 10, which is positive 2. So since I got a positive number, I know my velocity has to be increasing at that value. So in this case, my answer choice is B.